Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display any code in Elementor WordPress like PHP, JavaScript, CSS. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor. On left side you see search widget. So write here code and then you see code highlight, drag and drop widget anywhere you want. And then on left side you see language. You see multiple languages: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Java, SQL. So you can select according to your requirement. You see C, C++, and then you see code section. Now paste any code you want. Now you see layout, and then scroll down. You see line number, and then you see copy to clipboard. Enable this option, highlight line. Now you see if you want you can add line number according to requirement. And then you see theme solid. Now select dark. Now you see, so you can select according to requirement, and then you see height and font size, and then scroll up. You see advanced, so click on it. So you can set margin padding according to requirement, and then click on update. Now update done. So we added this widget in column, so you can increase column width according to requirement. Now go to page and refresh the page, and then scroll down. Now you see code layout, and also you see copy. So code is copied, and then scroll down you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.